Good job, Elizabeth.
My dog. She's gonna take a picture too.
Hello, everybody. How are you today? Welcome to Victoria's second birthday party.
Yay! Elizabeth, sit down, honey.
Victoria, you're so cute. We're so glad you come.
Now can I get a puppet?
Now, everybody, we have a lot of animals.
Elizabeth, sit down, honey.
Victoria's birthday party. She's so special. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, Victoria.
Victoria, sit down, honey.
Somebody say. Come over here. Come over here. Somebody say an animal. Look at her.
I'm Mr. Skunk. I took a shower today, but some people say I smell.
Guys, did that skunk stink? P.U.
Oh, I still want to come to the puppet show party. Hudson, let's go get a puppet.
Elizabeth, sit down. Victoria, come here, honey.
Got my puppet.
Come sit down.
Me.
Guys, what? That's your chair right there, honey. The purple chair. Elizabeth, switch with your sister.
No.
Victoria.
Look who it is. It's Mr. Cow.
Move over. Move over so the kids can see. Hello. Happy birthday, princess. Happy birthday.
They're like so baffled.
Happy birthday to Victoria. Yay.
You like that, Grace?